Exercise number 1. Write a program that prints the integers below in a 2x5 format without using an array. Please pause this video and begin writing your code once you have understood the question. You can unpause when you are ready to move on to the next question. Exercise number 2. Update the previous code with two methods and arrays that takes a 2D array of integers 3x5, as input below, and prints out the matrix in the same format. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 3, update the previous code to calculate the averages of the two specific parts of the matrix, the first row and the third column. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 4. Write a program to create a 3D array with exam scores below. 3 students, 4 exams, 2 subjects. Then, print out the scores for student number 5, on the third exam. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 5. Update the previous code to calculate the average scores for subject number 1 on all exams for both student number 1 and student number 5. Please pause the video and start to write your code.